The management of School of Public Health and Social Action (SPHSA), Niamey, Niger Republic, has lauded the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for establishing a world-class university in his efforts to provide quality and sound education in Africa. The provost of SPHSA, Dr. Sambar Hadio Bubakar, made the commendation while fielding questions from newsmen shortly after visiting the university located at Hotoro GRA Kano on Sunday, 11th December 2022. Dr. Hadio Bubakar, who spoke through the Director Quality Assurance, Mr. Zenil Sember El-Bashir, expressed satisfaction with the facilities and beautiful landscaping of MAAUN, saying the institution, which has the membership of American Council on Education, could compete favorable with the top-ranking universities across the globe. She described Professor Gwarzo as an amazing role model who has shown relentless commitment to making education accessible and affordable. According to her, SPHSA is the first private institution of its kind in Niger Republic, adding that the college is already in its 5th year of partnership with Maryam Abacha American University of Niger Maradi. Dr. Hadio Bubakar called on the government of Nigeria and Niger to continue to support Professor Gwarzo in his efforts towards empowering youth through the provision of quality education to enable them contribute their quota for the socio-economic development of Africa. We are calling on governments of Nigeria and Niger Republic to continue to support Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo to actualize his dream of empowering youth through the provision of quality education, she said. Earlier, Professor Gwarzo thanked Dr. Sambar Hadio Bubakar and her entourage for the visit. He gave the assurance that Maryam Abacha American University of Niger Maradi would ensure the sustenance of the existing partnership between the two institutions.